have practiced subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, that is without regrouping. Correct? Yes. Let us go to the subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, that is with regrouping. Okay? So, subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers with regrouping. So last class, directly we have subtracted the number, there was no borrowing, correct? Yes, today's class, we have to do the borrowing method here. So we can go with some of the examples of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Example, first one, I'll take 2-digit number first. So the 85 minus 37. So 85 minus 37. So first you have to go to the digits which are there in the ones column. Ones column, you can see here 5 and 7 is given. 5 and 7 is given, correct? As you know, 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. So we can't subtract 5 minus 7. We can't remove from 5, we can't remove 7. So what we have to do? We have to regroup here. So we have to regroup the number. So from tens column, here tens column is from there we have to borrow 110 this side. 110 we have to borrow here. So that will be 15 now. Here from 8 tens. Here 8 tens was it. That 110 we have to borrow that side. So here how many tens are remaining now? 7 tens. 7 tens are remaining here. So 110 if you borrow means that is 10 plus 5. It is 15. Correct? So now we can subtract 15 minus 7. 15 is greater now, correct? So 15 minus 7. Always greater number to smaller number we have to subtract. Now we can't subtract smaller number to greater number. So now 15 minus 7. So 15 you keep in your mind, 7 in your hand. 15 you keep in your mind, 7 in your hand. Now count back. Count back from 15. That is 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Correct? So 8 ones are remaining here. So in ones column 8 ones are remaining. Now next go to the tens place now. Tens column 7 and 3 is given here. 7 and 3 is given. 7 is greater. Correct? 7 is greater than 3. So we can subtract it. No? So 7 minus 3. 7 you keep in your mind. 3 in your hand. Now count back from 7. That is 6, 5, 4. Correct? So it is 4 here. So 48. So the difference is 48. Now next we can go through the 3-digit example. Second one. 3-digit number I will take now. 695 minus 376. So 3-digit number 695 minus 376. Now go through the digits which are there in the ones column. Go through the digits which are there in ones column, that is 5 and 6 is there, correct? 5 and 6 is there. So 5 is less than 6. 5 is less than 6. We can't subtract. So what we have to do? Same method We have to borrow 1 pen from tens place. So here 9 tens was there, no? 9 tens was there. So 1 pen you borrow that side. So that time it will become 15. 1 pen is 10 plus 5. That is 15. Here 8 tens are remaining now. 8 tens are remaining now. So from one column now check 15 and 6 is there. Correct? 15 and 6 is there. So 15 you keep in mind, 6 in your hand. 15 in your mind, 6 in your hand. Before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Correct? So 9 here in one column, 9. Now next the digits which are there in the tens place. So 8 and 7 is given. First number is 8. Already greater number is there. We don't need to borrow from here. Correct? So 8 is greater than 7. 8 is greater than 7. So we can subtract directly. So 8 in your mind, 7 in your hand. Count before 8 now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct? So here 8 minus 7 is 1. Now next hundreds place. We go through the digits which are there in a hundreds place. That is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. So 6 in your mind, 3 in your hand. Before 6, 5, 4, 3. Correct? So here 3. So the answer is 319. 319. So in this way, we have to subtract 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, that is with regrouping. With regrouping means we have to borrow some numbers. Wherever it is necessary, from there we have to borrow some numbers. So now we can go through the exercise 3.2. We can see some of the problems of exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. So first problem I take it, that is 63 minus 25. 63 minus 25. 63 minus 25. So now go to the digits which are there in the ones column. So ones place you see the digits in ones place you see 3 and 5. First number is 3. Second number is 5. We can subtract here directly. We can subtract it. No, we can't subtract. What we have to do? We have to borrow from tens place. Correct? We have to borrow the numbers from tens place. So here 6 tens was there. 6 tens was there. So 1 10, if we take that side, how much is remaining? 5 tens. Correct? Yes. So here 5 tens remaining. So this will become now 13. 3 was there now. So 1 10 we took that side. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Correct? Here 3 is less than 5. So we have to borrow from this side. So 13 in your mind, 5 in your hand. Before 13, that is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Correct? So here ones place 8. Now tens place you see 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. We can subtract, no? Yes, we can subtract here because 5 is greater than 2. So 5 in your mind, 2 in your hand. 4, 5, 4, 3. So here 38 is the answer. Now next we can go through the next problem, that is second problem you have to do. Next I'll take third problem. 82 minus 57. 82 minus 57. As you know, already I have explained you. First, we have to go through the digits which are there in a ones column. Go through the digits which are there in a ones column. Now, 2 and 7 is there. In ones column, 2 and 7 is there. So, 2 we can't subtract. From 2 we can't subtract 7. Right? So, we have to borrow from tens place now. We have to borrow from tens place. Here 2 is less than 7. 2 is less than 7. So borrow 1 10. You borrow from tens place. That time it will become 12 here. How many tens are remaining now? 7 tens. Correct? 7 tens are remaining here now. So now 12 ones. From 12 ones we have to subtract 7 ones. From 12 ones we have to subtract 7 ones. 12 you keep in your mind, 7 in your hand. Before 12, that is 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So here 5. 7 minus 5. Now tens place you see. Tens place is 7 minus 5. Correct? 7 minus 5. 7 you keep in mind. 5 in your hand. Before 7, that is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Correct? So here it is 2. So the difference is 25. Now next, I'll take fifth question now. In your textbook, that is exercise 3.2, fifth question. $748 minus 368. 748 minus 368. So, subtract it from ones column now. 8 minus 8. As I have told you before, same number minus same number will be 0 here. 8 minus 8 is 0. Correct? Now next term, 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6, is that possible to subtract? Yes? No. So, what we have to do now? What we have to do? Yes, we have to borrow from hundreds place now. Correct? In tens place, 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. So, we have to borrow from hundreds place. So, how many hundreds are remaining now? Before 700 was there. No? 700s was there. So, now 600s are remaining now. 600s are remaining now. So, we have to borrow from here to here. That is 14 tenths. 14 tenths. So, now from 14 tenths, you have to subtract 6 tenths. From 14 tenths, you have to subtract 6 tenths. So, 14 you keep in your mind, 6 in your hand. Before 14, that is 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Correct? So, here it is 8. In tens place, 8. Now, next hundreds place. We go through the digits which are there in a hundreds place, that is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, 6 is greater than 3, correct? So we can subtract, we don't need to borrow. So 6 minus 3, now 6 in your mind, 3 in your hand. Before 6, it is 5, 4, 3. So 380. 380 is the answer. Now next, sixth question. Sixth question. 847 minus 539. 847 minus 539. So now Go through the digits which are there in a ones column. Go through the digits which are there in ones column. Now 7 minus 9 is this. 7 minus 9 is not possible. 7 is less than 9. So, we have to borrow from this side. So, 4 tens are there here. Correct? 4 tens are there. You borrow 1 ten that side. Here 3 tens are remaining. So, here it will become 17 ones. 17 ones, correct? So, from 17 ones, you have to subtract 9 ones. From 17 ones, you have to subtract 9 ones. 17 you keep in mind, 9 in your hand. 17 in your mind, 9 in your hand. Before 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Correct? So here 8. So ones column 8. Now next up, go through the tens column now. So 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is there. Correct? So that is 0. As you know already I have told you, same number minus same number will be 0. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Now next you go through the digits which are there in the hundreds column. Hundreds column 8 minus 5 is given. 8 minus 5. 8 you keep in your mind. 5 in your hand. 8 you keep in mind. 5 in your hand. Before 8, that is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Correct? So 308. 308. Now next problem. Last problem I will take. Remaining all problems you have to do. Eight hundred minus 299. So you see this number ones column 0 and 9 is given. In ones column 0 and 9 is given. 0 is less than 9. We can't subtract. So we have to borrow from tens column. Tens column again 0 is there, correct? In tens column also again 0 is there. We can't borrow from there. So I have to borrow from hundreds place now. See, here also 0 is there. Correct? No tens here. So I have to borrow from hundreds place to tens place to ones place. Okay? So now I have to borrow 800 was there, 800 was there. So it will become 700 now because I have to borrow here to here. So it will become here 10, 100 I took that side. So 10, in this 10 I have to borrow again 110 here. So how much is remaining now? In tens place 9. 9 tens are remaining, correct? So now we can subtract 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 we can subtract now. 10 in your mind, 9 in your hand. 4 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct? Yeah, 1. Now next tens column, it is 9 minus 9, 0. Now 7 minus 2. In hundreds column it is 7 minus 2. 7 you keep in your mind, 2 in your hand. Before 7 it is 6 and 5. So 5. So 501. So the answer is 501. So complete exercise 3.2 in your textbook. I hope everyone completed other all exercises which are given to you. And evening class I will give a notes on this. Okay? Thank you.